We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this HP M276 and we're going to show you how to print the status supply so you can figure out where all your toner cartridges are at and keep a better eye on all your supply levels. That way you don't get in the middle of a big print job and end up running out of toner. So it's a very simple process. On your menu, there's an icon at the top right hand side of the screen. It's a little triangle made out of dots. Go ahead and hit that little icon. And on that, once you hit that, it's going to bring up a little menu that's going to show you a visual representation of all your toner cartridges. So that kind of gives you a really rough idea about where you are. But if you'd like to have more detail than that, then we're going to print the supply status page. So on here, there's actually two separate options. There's OK. So if that gives you enough information so you just kind of get a rough idea, then that's the button you hit and take you back to the home screen. But if you want to print that report, you're just going to click on the report tab, which is on the bottom left. And this, like I said, this is going to give you a lot more information as far as where your toner cartridges are at. And that way you don't have to worry about running out. Whether you're in the middle of a print job or you know you have a lot of printing to do, it just takes the guesswork out of it. So once you print that supply status page, each cartridge will show you a status bar and kind of give you a rough estimate of how much toner is actually left. It also tells you roughly how many pages have been printed with that toner and roughly how many pages are remaining left to be printed off that toner. So like I said, it can give you a very good idea about where you are. Just remember that all these numbers are approximate. These aren't exact numbers. The printer's doing its best to kind of estimate based on toner usage. And if you are finding yourself getting kind of low and you think you're going to need some, please contact Onyx so we can supply that backup toner for you. And other than that, if you have any questions or concerns, give us a call as well. Other than that, you should be good to go and back up printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.